Culture is the heartbeat of the people. And here at Akuapem, history is about to echo louder than ever. Wherever there's culture, there's EBYTV. Today, we are here at the Akuapem Palace to witness the launch of the 200-year celebration anniversary of the Akuapem Odwira Festival, a history that has preserved the identity of the Akuapem people. Come along with me as we witness this occasion.
Asia, I have no, Media Juma, Media Juma, Meniba, Menyaba, Mipia, Ulibamana can go, Tanka Juma Yedi, or the Nanasi Fell, Sakan and Qua, and Gay Yedi, Tony Pio Ken, Sadia Diasa, and Saya Queen, Ishaya say, or Kamubi, Bayosanio, Bayosanio, Bayosanio.
It is a profound honor to stand before you today on this historic Tuesday as we gather here in the sacred and serene heights of Akuapem. The air itself feels thick with the spirit of our ancestors and the vibrant energy of a people reborn. On behalf of Akuapem, Sadia Ukwesi Ekofu the Fair, and the Odwira Planning Committee, that is the Odwira 200 Planning Committee, I welcome you to the official launch of a milestone 2 centuries in the making, the 200th anniversary of the Odwira Festival. Our theme, 200 years of Odwira, honoring our heritage, securing our future, reflects a dual responsibility we cherish.
Today's gathering is not merely a festival or a lunch, but it is the beginning of a journey towards a historic celebration that reflects the spirit, the soul, the resilience, and rich heritage of the Akuapem and the Akuapem people.
From the majestic surrounding or sounding of the Fronton to the sacred part of the Black Stool, we are custodians of a legacy that have survived the pressures of colonization. We stand here today because our ancestors refused to let their identity fade.
Ya kan. So what the poto kasema and our friend no purification. You purify. Intinetie musadi nyina ye jirayo.
Oba and a soon some concrony demo. Amen.
To our visitors and friends from across the world, Akuapem is your home. Feel the hospitality of the mountains. Breathe in the peace of our tradition. As we pour the libation and beat the drums to signify the start of the 200th year journey, let us remember that we are the bridge. We are the link between the giants who came before us and the children who will follow. I formally welcome you to the launch of the 200th Odwira Festival. Let the celebration be peaceful. Let the reflections be deep. And let the unity of Akuapem be eternal. Thank you and welcome to Akuapem.
EBYTV, simply unique.